Welcome to EDUREPUBLIC. So, those aspirants who want to join in the government sector, central government sector, so there is an opportunity. So, Staff Selection Commission has issued a notification to recruit for the post of SI, and right. So, the SI post will be filled in the Central Police Organization, and the examination will consisting of like right 4 stages actually it is consisting, and the written test will be held in the November 2022. So already notification issued, and you can apply till 22nd August, right? So still there is a time to apply for this particular examination. So EDUREPUBLIC is requesting to all the aspirants as soon as possible, right, apply for this examination and start your preparation immediately. And actually, what are the various topics involved in the written examination? It consisting of 4 areas, that is general intelligence reasoning, general knowledge and general awareness, quantitative aptitude, and English comprehension. So these are the 4 areas that objective type examination consisting of. This will be conducted in the month of November 2022. So general intelligence and reasoning, like it would require like learning the concept and practicing the examination. The more number of the examination that you attempt leads to maximum score in the examination. It consisting of topics like both verbal as well as non-verbal reasoning. In the verbal, you can get questions from ranking, alphabet test statements, assumption statements, and arguments, syllogism. So in all this, the coding, decoding, in all these areas, you will get the examination. Simply, you need to know how to understand these questions and how to do them very fast, because time is the most important in the competitive examination. Anyone can solve these questions if the like ample amount of the time given. However, you would require to do those questions in a very less time, that you need a specialized training for that purpose. And then general knowledge and general awareness, very important area. Most of the aspirants who are preparing for various examination of Staff Selection Commission or UPSC or State Public Service Commissions, they believe that general studies preparation is more than enough. But however, it would require certain orientation. It is useful, but you need the orientation. So general awareness means what is happening outside the world and what are the stock issues of those particular issues. Like for example, okay, at present Russia-Ukraine war was happening. What are various boundaries to Russia? What are various boundaries to Ukraine? How actually this problem happened? So stock issues that you need to learn. Recently, so elections for the President of India, Vice President of India were held, and what are various stock issues for all those events. So who elects the President of India? Like we need not to know about what articles involved in it. So because that comes under the general studies. Here we need to know a peripheral general knowledge. That means a perfect orientation that an aspirant is required to crack this particular examination. Quantitative aptitude, it consisting of various topics like percentages, averages, and most of the aspirants look for like shortcuts in this particular topic. However, EDUREPUBLIC suggesting conceptual clarity. If you are good at the concept, definitely shortcuts will help you. Without concept clarity, if you are merely learning or relying on the shortcuts, will not help you, will not fetch you even 1 mark in the examination. So that is the reason why we focus on the conceptual clarity, and through concepts we develop the various shortcuts for each and every type of problem. And then English comprehension, like okay, most of the students who did their studies in their vernacular medium may face certain problems, but by following certain techniques and by following certain okay like methodologies that EDUREPUBLIC teaches you will definitely fetch you maximum number of marks even in this area, right? And once like physical efficiency test will be there. Once the physical efficiency test is cleared, there will be English language and comprehension, which consisting of 200 marks for 200 questions. The time duration will be 2 hours. So this will be also multiple choice examination, and definitely it also helps to the students. And coming to the physical efficiency test, like test will be there separately for male and female. Standards are different in this one also. Like 100 meters race in 16 seconds for the male candidates I am telling, and 1.6 kilometers race in 6.5 minutes. Then long jump 3.65 meters in 3 chances. Then high jump 1.2 meters. So again 3 chances will be given here also. Shot put 4.5 meters in 3 chances. Right? It will also be given. Okay, these are the parameters or requirements for the male candidates. For the female candidates, 100 meters race in 18 seconds, 800 meters race in 4 minutes, long jump 2.7 meters in 3 chances, high jump 0.9 meters in 3 chances. Right. So all this will be there part of physical efficiency test. Now, right, how you can crack this examination? As I said you, this would require like understanding all the core concepts and practicing, attempting the mock test. Most of the aspirants, they will complete the syllabus, but they won't attempt the mock test. It is waste. And some of the students, they will directly write the examination without learning proper concepts. So these two strategies will not get you the job. So that is the reason why EDUREPUBLIC believes like providing you the concepts followed by the test. So these are the two essential aspects. Just talk with any student who got the success. They definitely would have followed the same strategy that was providing by the EDUREPUBLIC. So all the faculties that are here are more than 10 years experience, and thousands of the students were already got the job and got various benefits by these faculties. So that is the reason why here already maximum classes are uploaded in the website as well as in the app. So first of all, we suggest you to thoroughly go through the classes and then immediately keep on writing the examinations. Once you attempt the examination, immediately the respective faculty will provide you the analysis in which area you are constantly getting very less marks. Okay, how can you improve in this particular area? All the necessary suggestions will be provided by the faculties, so that you can while strengthening your strengthened areas, and also you can become more knowledgeable persons who can attend maximum number of questions in the areas where you are very weak. So this is the strategy that EDUREPUBLIC suggests, like conceptual clarity and the examinations, right? So now, right, so here we help you in all the subjects, and right, more than 10 years experienced faculties are there, for you to like understand various concepts that involved in the various subjects. And apart from these examinations, topic wise examinations are available, full length examinations are also available for you, so that you can 100%, if you follow the strategy that is providing by the EDUREPUBLIC, definitely will fetch you the job. And right, by next year, by 2023, believe that you will be the SI in the Center Police Organization. That confidence will be given by this organization, right? So immediately we request all the aspirants who want to become the central government job holders, and those already have written essay examination that were conducted by various state level examinations. If you did not fare well in those examinations, here is another opportunity. If your age is between 20 to 25 as on 01/01/2022, that means 2022 January 21st, this is the cutoff date. And if your age to that cutoff date is between 20 to 25, yes, you are eligible for this examination. Another time luck knocked your door. This time you need to open this door with the help of EDUREPUBLIC, right? So we wish all the best to all the aspirants who wants to crack this examination. Thank you very much.